In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so I do this every single month, and I'm very thankful to Goddess Provisions for sending me a box every single month. I get to connect with you guys over this video every single month, and I always do this video with a shot or some alcohol, some wine. It's just a way for me to wind down with you guys over a beverage. Before we get into the unboxing, I do want to let you guys know a few little things about Goddess Provisions. So first of all, it is $33 a month, but if you get like the 6-month or the 12-month plan, it is a little bit cheaper. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free. They plant a tree for every box sold. Each box comes with 5 to 7 full-size products. And if you guys have been watching my previous Goddess Provisions unboxings, you know that it's usually $80 to $100 worth of items in the box, but most often it way surpasses that. So you get a whole lot for your money. And another good thing is it's free shipping in the USA, and they do ship worldwide. With that being said, let's go ahead and open this month's box. So the reason that I really love unboxing this for you guys is because I get to go through the items and we get to like talk about it and how you would use it, if I've ever used it. Okay, so as soon as you open the box, that is what you see. I'm excited already. Okay, you guys know I like to go deep down inside the bottom of the box to pull out the card because, I don't know, that's just my favorite thing. I love the artwork on the front cover of the card. That is like one of the most exciting things about the box for me. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I use it either on my fridge or in my journal. And then inside it'll tell you discount codes and how much each of the items retail for, what they are, if it has a shop where you could like get more or whatever. It's really cool. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna pick out here, it's a rose quartz vessel necklace. Ooh, let's see. It's packaged really well, can you guys tell? If you guys can see that necklace, this part right here actually twists off, and you can keep liquid in there, or oils, or herbs, hair, resins. So this rose quartz vessel necklace retails for $33. Right there, that's your whole entire box. You basically you got your money's worth just with one product. The next thing I see here is it looks like lip balm. Yeah, it's a lip balm. It's a moonstone lip balm. And this retails for $4. So your lips will sparkle like moonstone when you wear this moisturizing vegan lip balm. The next thing that I see here is a third eye stained glass window hanging. I love stained glass. I don't know if you guys know that, but I love stained glass. But I don't own anything. I own one, oh my god, this is so pretty. I own one stained glass, like a hummingbird and butterfly little picture. Oh my god, this is so pretty. See that? So you can just hang this on your window. It actually comes with the hanging thing right there. That is so pretty. So the third eye stained glass hanging is a $22 value. So right there, that's about $55 worth of items in the box. Well, you have the lip balm too, but this one is really, really special because it's glass and it has a third eye on it. And you can hang this in the front of your house on the window to repel negative energy, to protect your home. It's a really beautiful piece of art, and it also has purpose. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Positively Mystic Tarot card holder. A tarot card holder? I've never heard of that. That's so weird. I'm a reader and I don't know about this. Hey guys, do you see this? This is a tarot card holder. So basically that's where you would put the tarot card right there and you would stand it up. This is so pretty. This is so freaking pretty. I love this. And then they also give you like a little pamphlet with it. Tarot card holder is a $22 value, and they give you coupon code to use on their website. So I definitely want to check it out because this is beautiful. The last thing that's in the box is super exciting. It is a Beyond Lemuria Oracle card deck. Here's what the deck looks like. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Do you guys see that? And then the back, it just, you know, has a little bit of what the deck is about. So it says, transform shadow into light, enliven your truth, and reclaim wholeness as you step into the memory, magic, and healing of Lemuria. Easy Ivy fuses wonder with all-knowing depth, and yeah. And this unique deck is seeded with symbolism to evoke connection, recall, and expanded consciousness for you in our world. I love a deck that is packed with symbols because it just, your intuition will pick up on it. So if you guys are interested, I will probably be doing an entire flip through of this over on Patreon. Maybe I might be doing that, but I like to do it over on Patreon because I know not everybody's interested here on YouTube. A lot of people may find it boring, but some people may like it. So if you guys are interested in the whole flip through, head over to Patreon, and that should be up maybe soon. If you guys like, let me know. But this deck retails for $17. Not bad. That's actually an affordable price. So obviously this month's theme is Lemuria. And what I like is that they do give a digital download. So this one is Lemuria and Past Life Remembrance, which sounds interesting. And basically they give you the code and you can go enter it and you can take the class or get the digital download, whatever it is. So it's $111 value, this class or digital bonus. $111 value. So when I have downtime or when I'm bored, I have nothing to do, I will pick these up, the digital courses or the digital bonuses, and I'll go. It's so interesting. You learn, you know, something new. All right, guys, that was my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're interested, I have a code down below. You can go and get yours too.